Hi, I'm Sarah Underwood. I'm a professor of entrepreneurial practice and currently the head of department for strategy, enterprise and sustainability at Manchester Metropolitan University Business School. So there are lots of pedagogical benefits to using simulations, but I wanted to focus my answer to this question on the strategic reasons for buying it and helping with students to do very complex problems that we've used to replace what has traditionally been a dissertation for our postgraduate students. And this was something that we wanted to achieve because the students who were coming in were finding that writing a dissertation was not only incredibly difficult and difficult to do well, but it wasn't really very reflective of something they would be asked to do when they go into the world of work. And so we wanted to find something that would help them to be more engaged with this as a process, but also for us as a sort of management tool for helping to deal with increasing student numbers. So the challenges that we've been facing are rising postgraduate student numbers, those numbers being particularly in international student numbers, and challenges around having enough staff to actually deliver one-to-one dissertation supervision. So in order to address those challenges, we've used evolution to redesign what we would consider to be a capstone module as part of a postgraduate student experience. So therefore, we've got students working in groups. This is really beneficial for the students because they're able to support each other through their progress. The module is much more structured because we take them through the various components of evolution, but actually get them to be working with the simulation. So they're learning about how business operates in real time. And they're also able to then use this experience to individually reflect on what they've actually done over the course of this sort of significant period of time that they're doing this module through. From a strategy side, managing the kind of operations of the department, this has been really helpful for helping us to manage staff time. We've moved away from dissertation supervisors entirely, and we now have advisors who are working with these groups of students. From a very kind of commercial point of view, the use of evolution has enabled us to save over £52,000 worth of staff time in hours not being used to do dissertation supervision. So in one sort of solution, we've managed to save money, have happier staff, have much happier students, and get better student learning outcomes from a module. So we are incredibly pleased with the way in which this has worked for us. So we have a number of different measures. We have the unit surveys, end of unit surveys, in which the students are measurably more satisfied with the module and they comment that they find the experience enjoyable. We have a comparison of the scores that students are getting compared to sort of last year and the year before, showing that across the board that there has been a significant increase. One of the things that's particularly significant for us is that we've been able to show that this has closed the awarding gap between these students. So that has been something really beneficial. And of course, we've used the workload model to show that staff hours that have been applied to support this module, the staff involved are much less stressed because whilst they are supporting student groups, they're able to provide the same number of hours, build much deeper relationships with the students and to provide much better and more tailored support.